Yo, guys, pulling up to the shop and a fire hydrant just exploded over there. There's like a bunch of water here. Oh my goodness. There's cops up there too. Look at all the water here. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is basically gonna be part 2 of us parting this car out. We're gonna just pull this out right now. We finished up with this customer car here. We were just doing some work to it in a quick detail. It's SIR or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna pull this out now and start tearing it apart because we got a real big scrap pile sitting over here. And might as well get that car out and part it out and then add to the scrap pile here. And then also do a one-time scrap run. But we got like doors, hoods, so many rads, a couple more in there, fenders, 1, 2, 3 fenders, bunch of rotors, yeah. So we're gonna pull this out now and start tearing it apart. This thing would not want to move. I don't know how the transmission got worse after parking it, but yeah, this engine and transmission are gone. Definitely just for parts. Not even the doors are worth anything. They got rot on them. It shot back all the way till there. That's definitely not good. So I think that engine's kind of mucked. It's only a D17, so it's not even worth much. So I got the front end off here. Now I'm gonna start taking the calipers off and trying to take all these radiators out and draining them, hopefully not making another mess. It takes forever to drain. So I'm just draining this now. I want to pull this rad and this AC condenser out, and then I can have more access to the front engine mount there, right there. Pull the air box out. I might as well do that now while I'm waiting for this to drain. And then battery's already out, so I can pull this out the way. All these grounds are kind of clapped. I'm surprised it kept starting properly, but once I move the air box, I'll have access to that mount. And then once I remove this, I'll have access, more access, and this power steering line, I'll have more access to that mount. And then all that's left is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's that bolt right there for the mount. So, this guy's making so much noise. But as you see, one seat's out right now. Working on the next one. Whoever put in these bolts, they're stripped. I don't know what mechanic did that, but this guy's laughing for some reason. I definitely put them in. I was cheesed. But yeah, interior's coming out. Door panel is definitely not coming out because of this. Like, what is this? It's falling out. No one will want that. There's honestly not much to this car, but again, for 300 bucks, you can't really go wrong. I'm gonna make that in scrap value anyway, and the rest is just kind of profit. And I don't know, it's still an Acura. By the way, this thing is still draining. That's crazy. Alright, I think this is ready to pull. Pretty sure I got everything disconnected. Okay. Alright, so I skipped all the boring stuff. This thing is a bit sketchy. It's on like two out of 4 jack stands right now, but I'm gonna take this engine out. Everything's disconnected. I took the power steering pump out, alternator out, drive shafts are out. These headers are just kind of dangling. I'm hoping I can squeeze them through once I'm pulling the engine up. But yeah, we're gonna see how this comes out. First D-series. All right, as you see, that jug caught every last drop of the fluids and we made no mess. The whole headers and everything, as you can see, they cut the cat out right there and just welded an O2 to the pipe. So that's unfortunate, no cat for us, but engine's out. I had it hooked onto this piece here on the transmission. There's like a little hook here, and then on this side's mount with like 2 threads. So yeah, we want to start a build soon, so might as well use all the profits and money we get from this and put it towards like a Civic hatchback or a cheap Integra that the body isn't that clapped on, because we really want to start like a build. So stay tuned for that. We'll see what's on Marketplace and Kijiji for cheap. But honestly, this EL wasn't really worth 300 now that I have it here and fully looked at it and went through and all that. But it is what it is. It's not like we're gonna lose money on this. We got the money from the trailer back, and it's just the $300 we put in this. So like if we even scrapped it, we should get that back. But yeah, we're gonna pull this to the scrapyard maybe in the next day or so, and then hopefully look for another project or a next part out. We'll see. Dude, the dent came out. It dented then popped back out.